Well, this is it, boys. The last day in the garage in the OG house. We're gonna get on the road. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're in California. We've got the SRT-10 right here behind me, and we're out. So this is the garage that you guys have seen for the last few years. The new people have their stuff moved in, and this is it. I'm out of here. So we're gonna hit the road. Kind of like a bittersweet. Like, I'm excited for what's ahead of us, but at the same time too, I'm still looking for property, so I don't really have it set in my head where we're going. So, but I know it's going to be a good change. We're going to have more space for more projects. I'm excited for what's ahead, but right now it's a bit unknown, so a little bit crazy, but that's what we're up against. I'm going to jump in the SRT-10. We're going to get on the road, and we're going to start heading east. All right, guys, so we're out of here. Here's the house. If you guys never seen it from the outside, what she looks like, but we are out of here. So got the mountain view behind us, and we're gone. Okay, so we are in pretty much Phoenix. I'm just gonna grab some food real quick. You guys didn't miss too much, just a boring drive through the desert. Oh, look, a little SRT-4. Everyone keeps asking about these on the channel for some reason. Check out this little scenery, you guys. The last time we went through here was pitch black, but this is the road that takes you up from Phoenix across on a northeast angle to the I-40, you know, the old Route 66. So last time we came through here up the mountains, it was pitch black, but we're coming through here through the day, so I'll be able to show you guys a little more. But really cool area, like definitely speaks Arizona. If I was gonna take a picture of Arizona, I would feel like it would look like this right now. So here's where I came through with the trailer last time. It's got like runaway truck ramps and brake checks, points and areas, and all that kind of stuff. So pretty steep grade coming down here. It was definitely interesting coming down with the truck. I just went super slow and used the low gear, but you can see there, runaway truck ramp, 1 mile. So, but I'd prefer this way, honestly. Going up this way is a lot more interesting than going down through El Paso. Alright, I don't know what's going on just yet, but I figured I'd grab the camera. We're going through some big looking fire through here. I'll keep you guys posted if I see anything, but it doesn't look too pretty through this part here. Can't really see it all the time, but you can see every once in a while there's like some sort of fire crew and stuff parked in there. So they're definitely battling something in there right now. Alright, we just got to the I-40. We got like over 800 miles on the I-40, so definitely a long ways to go, but this is the majority of the way across the US, headed east. Okay, we just entered New Mexico, so this is still day one. Making decent progress since I actually left at a decent time this time, but we'll see how far we get today. So in case you guys are wondering, this is how the lights look at nights. I think they're pretty good. Like I said, before I adjusted them in the last video and I showed you guys what I did, it really didn't look this good at all. It was really, really hard to see. So right now I got the fogs on with the lows, and then that is just lows. So the fogs are definitely doing most of the work. So we'll see. I don't know, I might end up doing something with the low beam bulbs eventually, but at least right now I can see pretty dang good. Okay, we're at a fuel stop in New Mexico. I don't know where exactly, but I thought this was kind of cool. We're just filling up with fuel, but a lot of the SEMA builds are starting to show themselves. Everybody's coming back from SEMA, so you can see got a custom Jeep over there too with big old dually with some big old wheels on it. But we'll fill up and then we'll keep getting back on the road. All right, boys. boys, we made it to Texas. I've been on a mission on this one. So, same day. It's nighttime, but we made it all the way to Texas. Okay, it's the next day. We're almost in Amarillo. I just got some sleep at one of the rest stops, and then right now I'm at Pilot, just filling up. So, I'm gonna get back on the road. We'll see what we get into. We're almost there. Okay, we decided to make a quick pit stop at Kevin Van Voris' gym here, so we'll go see what he's up to in his new red eye. What up?
Welcome back.
Jeez. All right, let's see this thing. You guys have probably seen it on his channel, but I've seen it in person here. It's the V6, right?
SRT.
So what's different? I don't know too much difference on the red eye versus the regular one. Like, what do you see that's different on the red eye?
This is leather. This is suede. On the Chargers, this is like plastic. On like mine was like plastic.
Yeah.
Like plastic. Now you can have carbon fiber. You got a suede steering wheel. Suede roof.
That's pretty badass.
So it's just like, yeah, it's the same setup, but it's like way nicer materials, I guess. So.
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah.
You got the American flag on the thing there?
Yeah. Should have been Canada flag.
Well, you should turn it into a pink eye. Hellcat pink eye. So this is when you first walk in, and here's the gym.
Yep. So, look at the most equipment like in Amarillo, and then to me, like, I've never seen a gym like this, but that was kind of the point. That's where we have all the car shows. Like, we have them inside, and then that door, the hangar door, so it actually like opens up. So you can fit an airplane in here if you wanted to.
What the heck is that thing?
So that's an actual arm that they used to build cars in Detroit. We don't know if it's from Ford or Dodge, but it's from one of those two. Yeah, so now it's on.
Air conditioning like not available. Oh, so it gets rid of the AC when
so
it's...
the AC's not on, so it's just ambient. It's dumb. See?
Jesus.
See, it's like spinning.
It still feels pretty damn fast to me. So we stopped off at Kevin's gym. He's taking off. I'm gonna do a couple separate videos because I spent probably a couple hours or so here with Kevin. Took a tour of his gym, went for a ride in his new red eye. So I'm gonna make those two videos for you guys. So check out those two videos. We gotta get back on the road so we can wrap up this video and our trip all the way to Dallas. Check that out, you guys. There's like huge things of like cotton, I think. There's like massive bundles of it. All that white stuff in the field. But this drive from Amarillo to Fort Worth, Dallas area, it is so boring. It's like 5 hours of just this, but we're making it through. Okay, we're just going through this little town that is like on the way from Amarillo to Fort Worth, and I just passed a little building that said Jasper Engines on it. So I don't know if the like official place. It looked like not a huge building. I would say maybe 3,000 square feet or so. I don't know if that's where the headquarters for Jasper Engines, the place that you buy like rebuilt engines from, or if that's just like one of their little depots, but kind of cool. Maybe you guys already know. Comment down below if you guys are familiar with that or not. All right, guys, well, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. You can see I'm now back in the Laramie Ram. Went and stored everything. Not gonna show you guys that part just because not everybody, but some people, of course, I don't want everybody knowing where all my stuff is. So have to, unfortunately or fortunately, keep a little bit of privacy on that end. But yeah, everything's stored away. We're back in the Ram, so we'll see what we get into. I'm gonna edit those videos for you guys. Meeting up with Kevin, so there's that as well, but I want to keep you guys up to date where I'm at. I'm officially in the DFW area for now. Another little bit of clarity on that. I'm not necessarily moving to this area, but I'm gonna be hanging out here for a little bit. Also gonna be going over to Florida, so I'll be in Florida a little bit. I might also go and see my buddy Steve over in Kentucky. gonna be floating around all over the place, checking out some different areas while actively looking for the ideal property. So that's the game plan. If you guys have any suggestions, comment down below. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give a thumbs up before you take off, and we'll see you guys on the next video.